Welcome to the tutorial on mastering the LCD screen of your Nikon D750. In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to leverage the versatility of the LCD screen. Step 1. Power on the camera press. The power button located on the top right of the camera to turn on your camera. The LCD screen will illuminate once the camera is powered on. Step 2. Activate Live View Mode. Press the LV button to activate Live View Mode. Now you'll have a real-time preview of your scene directly on the LCD screen, allowing for precise composition. Step 3. Utilize the tilting LCD screen. Gently rotate the LCD screen to adjust the angle. The tilting functionality allows you to capture shots from unique perspectives. Experiment with different angles to compose your shots with precision, whether shooting low to the ground or above a crowd. Step 4. Capture images. While in live view mode, compose your shot using the LCD screen. Press the shutter button halfway to autofocus and fully press it to capture the image. Step 5. Review images. Press the playback button to review your captured images on the LCD screen. Use the zoom function to check for sharpness and detail by zooming in on specific areas of the image. With these techniques, you can unlock the full potential of your camera and elevate your photography skills to new heights. Thanks for watching.